What I'm going to do here is I'm going to go into my dashboards. I'm going to pull up some specific dashboards. So the dashboard that I'm going to pull up first is a construction project manager. So I pull up this dashboard, and the idea behind dashboards is that we are able to see the most relevant task and information for the role of the person that is logged in. In this case, you see I'm a construction project manager. I know I have 22 active projects, and the color coding also means I might need to look at some of these things. So I have late project tasks. If I click on that, it will open up a new window and take me to all those project tasks that are late at this moment. Notice the tabs that open up. Again, this is browser based, so you can have multiple tabs open at the same time. Now, I do say be careful with multiple tabs. I see people that have 30, 40 tabs open. So, that's just a preference. But the great thing about this is you just open and close as needed. And all of these dashboard items are going to take you to what's most important for that role. Now, dashboards are fully customizable, not only the information you see here, but even the reports. Like these are some very canned reports or searches, but we can create custom searches relevant to that role and put it on the dashboard. The idea and our goal when we're setting up an environment for a customer is that these dashboards contain 75 to 90% of the most important things that a person will do on a day-to-day basis or needs information on. And the reason for that is so that they can have a one-stop shop. Now, of course, it doesn't make sense to put everything, some things that are maybe just once a month or things that you don't do so often. You don't want to use up your valuable real estate here on your screen, and you'll want to then be able to just navigate as needed.